More than 25 million of people around the world have anxiety disorders. In fact, nearly 1 in 5 adults has an anxiety disorder. Most people think anxiety is a feeling of nervousness, unease, or restlessness. It is. Absolutely, it is. But it can also become overwhelming. People who have an anxiety disorder often experience intrusive, persistent thoughts that interfere with their functioning. Unfortunately, common misperceptions about anxiety persist. So, how many of these surprising anxiety facts do you know? Hi, I am Saki Mahendra, your best friend. Number 1. Anxiety can be helpful. Surprised, right? Yes, anxiety can be helpful. It's completely normal and healthy to feel nervous and anxious before a big speech, public performance, or first date. The jitters we feel in those circumstances are the result of a heightened state of alertness. We know the stakes are high, so our body and brain kick into gear. Sometimes, though, anxiety appears for no apparent reasons. If your anxiety interferes with your daily activities, you may have an anxiety disorder. Number 2. Anxiety may be partially genetic. No one knows exactly why some people develop anxiety and others don't. Because anxiety disorders seem to run in families, researchers suspect there may be an genetic link. People who have a family history of anxiety or other mental health challenges are at increased risk of developing anxiety. Exposure to traumatic or stressful events may also trigger anxiety, especially in people who are genetically predisposed. Number 3. Anxiety disorders increase your risk of health problems. According to the National Institutes of Health, chronic anxiety increases your risk of heart disease, diabetes, substance abuse, chronic respiratory diseases, etc. Researchers are still untangling how anxiety causes physical changes, but they know that long term exposure to stress increases cortisol levels, which leads to decreased immunity and altered functions of heart and lungs. Number 4. Exercise may reduce anxiety. Numerous research studies have found that exercise can decrease anxiety symptoms. In fact, some studies have found that a single workout can quickly boost mood. The exercise doesn't even have to be intense. A walk around the block may be as effective as a 45-minute run. However, physical activity isn't the answer for everyone. Last but not least, number 5. Women are twice as likely as men to develop an anxiety disorder. Anyone can experience anxiety, but women are far more likely than men to be diagnosed with an anxiety disorder. According to the Anxiety and Depression Association of America, biological differences may explain why women are more prone to anxiety. Women are most sensitive than men to corticotrophin releasing factor, a hormone that affects the stress response. The female brain also takes longer to process serotonin, a feel good brain chemical. Hope you find this video helpful to you. Stay tuned for upcoming updates.